My name is Jose Jimenez. I am 30 years old. I was born in Bogota and I live in Actividad, Cundinamarca. I am a business management student. I work at the Colombian Agricultural Institute, ICA. I am a cheerful and judicious person. I like going out with my friends. In this picture, I was at the Simón Bolívar Park in Facatativá. It was in Christmas time in 2016. These were the most important events of the municipality occurred. In the background of the picture, you can see a big colonial building. There are several financial institutions. As it was Christmas time, there were colored lights all over the place, mainly red, blue, green, and yellow. The entire square was decorated with different themes alluding Christmas. Of course, could not miss the Christmas tree that measured 20 meters approximately. The park is decorated every December in different ways, so we can celebrate Christmas with our families and friends. Thank you. Goodbye.